Bonjour, today is Sunday, February 20th, and I am just here at the 29.5 kilometer mark of the Iroquois section of the Bruce Trail, waiting for Aaron and Peter. We're going to leave one car here, go back to the 4.7 kilometer mark, something like that. We're doing 26.5 kilometers today. So we were supposed to hike yesterday, but there was a violent wind warning or something. There's also a warning for today, but it's not picking up until later, and it's much warmer today. So there was also so much blowing snow yesterday. It was a miserable day. I spent the whole day indoors, working on my book, and so I'm very eager to be outdoors and moving. So I'm early, I guess. I'm a little shocked about that. They'll probably be shocked too. I'm looking forward to a day of hiking. This section on a super windy day. Yeah, this is crazy. So this tree has come down, like, it's so interesting. It just snapped. Huh. I'll be coming down the mountain when I come. I'll be coming down the mountain when I come. I'll be coming down the mountain. I'll be coming down the mountain. I'll be coming down the mountain when I come. Don't want to slip here. I think I'm making this harder than it needs to be. Well, okay. It is 10:38 a.m. We've been hiking for 1 hour. We've hiked 3.9 kilometers. I was hoping it would turn over to the 4 kilometer counter, but it did not yet. So it's minus 3 degrees. Beautiful day, sun is shining, warm. The boys have already taken off a layer. I haven't yet. Yep, let's keep hiking. The wind is starting to penetrate through now. It's only 35 kilometer per hour winds. Could just be whatever, this particular section, but I don't know if you can see. It's blowing a lot of snow, so anyway. All right, it is 11:38 a.m. We've been hiking for 2 hours. We've hiked 7.5 kilometers. So, pretty slow pace. It's the snow. Very deep, very dry, very powdery, very slippery. That's fine. Good workout. And yeah, I mean, I don't mind being out for a long day today, especially after yesterday being stuck indoors all day. So yeah. By the way, it's minus 1 degree now, 35 km/h winds. So we can feel the wind a little bit. We can certainly hear it. It sounds far away, and just feeling it a tiny bit. See that blowing snow, but it's started again. Yeah, no one seems to be talking much today, and I think that's because the sound of the wind, it really takes up a lot of space in the consciousness, I think. You know, it's far away, so it's not right in your ear, which would be annoying, but it's, yeah, it's quite loud. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I guess I'll find out when I edit this. Anyway, it's nice. It's a very tranquil day. Yeah. I'm in such a good mood now. I'm so thankful to be in such a good mood now, because yesterday I was absolutely miserable. And even though I could have done the stairs, I could have gone to the gym, I could have gone to the climbing gym, I couldn't. I felt paralyzed with misery. I can't speak. It was a really productive day. I was just mentally in a slump. If I had forced myself, I know, of course, it would have helped. Anywho, all right, it is 12:38 p.m. We've been hiking for 3 hours. We've hiked 10.6 kilometers. It is 1 degree, feels like -6, and the winds are at 37 kilometers per hour. But again, we don't feel them. There's a slight breeze here, that's it. So, yeah, it's yeah, going swimmingly. don't know if you can see, but there's a massive hole in my boot. Massive. I just bought these boots in January. So I'm so upset. So up there at the top of the mountain, you can see the wind is blowing all kinds of snow. The trees are moving. But down here, nothing. Nothing at all. Not even a breeze. Also, now that it's 1 degree and the snow is melting a bit, it's way less slippery. It's packing down beneath my step rather than me just sliding everywhere. So that's good. I'm so upset about these boots. Brand new. I bought these in January. Remember, like in my other video, my at the cabin video, how beat up my old boots were. So I got these brand new boots. And again, it's it's along the stitch line. It's not like it's torn from a branch or a rock or something. Anyway, plus I bought like backup outdoor research gloves. They're $50 a pair. And I lost one of the backup. I still have the original ones, one of which is burnt. Money. Anyway. So this must have just happened because there is no snow on it. I hope this hasn't happened at my brother's property because my ice fishing hut is still there and I need to take it down, which I might do this evening. All right, it is 1:42. I'm 4 minutes late in reporting. We've hiked 13.9 kilometers. It is 2 degrees. Feels like -4, apparently. The winds are up to 35 kilometers or 36 or 37. I can't remember now. Yeah, we've hiked 13.9 kilometers. So 12 and a half left. I don't know where the boys are. I haven't seen them in a long time. They've forgotten about me. Oops. All right, it is 2:38 p.m. So we've been hiking for 5 hours. We've hiked 17 kilometers. It is 3 degrees. The winds are 37 kilometers per hour. Again, we're not feeling those though, thankfully. Thankfully. What else did I want to share? Yeah, I guess that's it. 3 degrees feels like I don't know what, but it feels great is what it feels like. yeah, this is so awesome. That's it. That's all I got. There's a hole in my boot, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my boot, dear Liza, a hole. With what shall I fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry? With what shall I fix it? I'll fix it with what? Apparently with Gorilla tape, dear Liza, dear Liza, dear Liza. Gorilla tape, dear Liza, dear Liza. Gorilla tape. Vanessa, if you're watching, this is the spot where we should come and do our anchor building and climbing and just hang out for the day. We're on the top now and we're in the wind, as you can probably hear. All right, yeah, here comes the wind. So the forecast did say it was going to pick up later in the day. It's 3 p.m. right now. We are on top as well of the mountain. We're not at the foot of it anymore, so but it's definitely picking up. So interesting. We still have 8 kilometers to go. So Felker's Falls, this is where I first began hiking the Bruce Trail in September of 2018. I think it was September 19th, 2018. I don't know. I had just come back from doing the Camino de Santiago, which was an 800 kilometer, footpath in Spain. And I was like, oh my God, I wish we had something like this in Canada. Yeah, we do. So yeah, I started hiking it as soon as I got back. And this was my starting point. So fond memories with Woman in the Woods. All right, it is 3:42. I am 4 minutes late reporting again. We have hiked 21.3 kilometers. So there's about 5 left. That's about it. I'm getting tired. I'm ready for this to be over. So less talking, more walking. There's chillin'. So this tag is all over Toronto and it's all over the Bruce Trail. Now I see this a lot. Chillin'. I would just like to say that I am so tired. I will not be going to pick up my fishing hut. First of all, it's going to be dark soon. Second of all, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I like it. Okay, it is 4:38. We have been hiking for 7 hours. We only have like 500 meters left. We've hiked 25.1 kilometers, and that's it. First trail continues that way, but we are going this way to my car. Oh, hallelujah. There's my car. Yay.